Okay. So 2010
to 2011.
2011.
Yeah. Yeah.
That acting director of public prosecution South Gauteng is the same.
Yeah.
And then 2011 to 2017, director of public prosecution
In
Free
the
State.
Free State.
And then
January,
2018 to 2023,
Yeah.
direct. When were you in Pietermaritzburg? Because your form talks about you being in Pietermaritzburg.
Minister, may I request that we finish with this? You said we'll finish with it at, if you don't mind. Can we finish? Can we come back to this at the end of the interview?
No, the reason why I had to stop, remember I parked it earlier, so that they give you a copy.
Yeah.
But the questions that members are posing, it's about your career. Because we base our question with your experience. Remember, we're looking for a national director of public prosecution. We're looking at the experience of national, which provinces you've worked. Do you have a footprint of understanding NPA broadly, or are you based on that? So it's important as part of our questioning. If you can see where Prof was going, that's why I stopped him, because we had not done this. This is basic, and that's why this information is provided for us up front, for us to prepare. And I was saying to the candidate yesterday, for lawyers, because you know as a legal person, if you submit something, it's a record. When you appear in court as a lawyer, what you submit to the court is a record of what you are saying. You have signed the form at the back, confirming it to be accurate and correct. Now, I'm picking up these discrepancies because these are the documents that helps us to prepare for the interview, to ask you questions, to verify, because we're looking not only for you to tell us, we want to understand your leadership style, want to understand the type of person. NDPP position is a very serious position in this country. National Prosecuting Authority is a very, very critical institution, not only in the justice system, but in the country. Now, South Africans expect us, when we do this process, to be diligent and to pay attention to detail. And my expectation is that when you sit here as a candidate, you must pay attention to detail. And a basic thing is a CV. The form itself as well. Because I looked at the form, I found these problems. I couldn't understand. I'm going to the CV, I'm finding the problems.
Minister, let me apologize again.
You prepared for the interview.
I've prepared for the interview.
You've